This is the correction to the given questions on arithmetic progression. So the first question says determine the number of terms, which is 83 in the AP. So determine the number of terms. Looking for the number of terms, determine the number of terms. So n is unknown. So n is unknown. Then the sequence is given as 3, 8, 13, 18, dot dot dot. So the first term, since the sequence is the AP, so we are going to look for the common difference. So the first term A equals to 3. The common difference equals to T2 minus T1, which is equals to 8 minus 3, which is equals to 5. So the common difference is 5. While the nth term, Tn, equals to 83. So Tn formula for AP, that is nth term formula for AP is Tn equals to A plus n minus 1D. So Tn is given as 83, which is equals to 8, that is 3, plus number of terms unknown, minus 1, into common difference 5. So we now have 83 minus 3 equals to uh, n minus 1 into 5. So 83 minus that's 80 equals to n minus 1 into 5. Then divide both sides by 5. Divide both sides by 5 by 5. So 5 there 1, 5 there 1. So we are left with n minus 1 equals to 5 and 5, 1. 5 and 8, 1 remainder 3. So 5 and 30, 6. So which means 5 and 80 is 16. That's 16. So n minus 1 equals 16. So we now have n equals to 16 plus 1, so which is equals to 17. So the number of terms is 17. That is option D. Then number 2. So question 2 says the first and the last term of an AP are minus 0.5 and 140.5. So the first term, that is A, equals to minus 0.5, while the last term, Tn, equals to 140.5, respectively. If the number of terms in the sequence is 48, so n equals to 48, find its common difference. So we are looking for D, which is unknown. So we have Tn formula equals to A plus n minus 1D. So Tn is given as 140.5, so we have 140.5 equals to the first term minus 0.5, then plus number of terms, that is 48, minus 1 multiplied by t. So we have 140.5 plus 0.5 equals to 47d. So we now have 141 equals to 47d. So you divide both sides by 47. So divide both sides by 47, that's 1, d equals to 141 all over 47. So which is equals to 141 divided by 47, that is 3. So the common difference is 3. That is option B. Then number 3. So question 3 says, what is the nth term of the AP? Minus 4, minus 6, minus 8, minus 10, and so on. So the first term is minus 4. The common difference is T2 minus T1, which is minus 6 minus 4. So which is minus 6 plus 4. So minus 6 plus 4 minus 2. So the nth term formula, Tn equals to A plus n minus 1D. So which is equals to the first term. The first term is minus 4 plus n. Number of terms is unknown. So n minus 1 into common difference minus 2. So we now have minus 4, open the bracket with minus, so that's minus 2 times n minus 2n, minus 2 times minus 1 plus 2. So we now have minus 4 plus 2 minus 2n. So the answer is now minus 2 minus 2n. So the nth term formula Tn equals to minus 2 minus 2n. That is option D. Option D. Then number 4. Question 4. So question 4 is if 8, x, y, minus 4 are in AP, find the value of x plus y. So we have 8, x, y, minus 4 are in AP. So find the value of x plus y. So the first thing is to look for the value of x. So to get the value of x, the first term is given as 8, and the last term is given as minus 4. Then the number of terms is given as what? 4, because we have 4 terms there. So n is 4. So we now have Tn equals to a plus n minus 1d. So Tn is given as minus 4. So minus 4 equals to first term 8 plus number of term 4 minus 1 multiplied by d. So from here we have minus 4 minus 8 equals to 3d. Then we have minus 4 equals to 3d. Then divide both sides by 3. So if we divide both sides by 3, we have d equals minus 12 over 3, which is equals to minus 4. So the common difference is minus 4, but the sequence given is 8, x, y, minus 4. But from the AP rule, the second term, T2 equals to first term plus common difference. So T2, which is equals to T1. T1 is 8 plus minus 4. Common difference is minus 4. So we have T2. So T2 is the same thing as x. So let's replace it with x. So T2 is x. So x equals to 8 minus 4, which is 4. So the value of x is 4. Then to get the third term, T3 equals to T2 plus common difference, which is equals to T2, that is 4, plus minus 4. So we now have T3, T3 is y, which is equals to 4 minus 4, which is equals to 0. So therefore, x is equals to 4. Therefore, x is equals to 4 and y is equals to 0. We are asked to find the sum of x and y. So x plus y equals 4 plus 0, which is equals to 4. So the answer is option B. So the answer is option B. Then number 5. So question 5 says the first term A of an AP is equal to 1 over 4 of the common difference. So A is equals to 1 over 4 of B, common difference. So A equals to 1 over 4 multiplied by D, which is D over 4. Then express in terms of D, the seventh term of the AP. So the seventh term, T7, equals to A plus 6D. So and our first term is D over 4. So we now have A, that is D over 4, plus 6D over 1. So we now find the LCM. So LCM of 1 and 4 is 4. So that is D plus 1 and 4 for 4 times 6D, that is 24D. So which is equals to 25D all over 4. That is option. So 25 all over 4 is the same thing as 4 in 24, that is 6, remainder 1 over 4 D. So the answer is 6 whole number 1 over 4D. That is option B. So that is that on the correction to the given test. Thank you.